Hello, good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhageshri Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Yes, dear students, already we solved one model question paper, that is of the year 23 and 24. Today, we will discuss the model question paper, that is model question paper 2 of the year 24 and 25, that is current year, which was released by the Karnataka board. Okay, so that is model question paper 24 and 25. Yes. So, subject is mathematics and subject code is 81E and time is 3 hours, 15 minutes. Total maximum marks is 80 marks. That we know. Okay. Yes. So, in that first question is, four alternatives are given for each of the following question. In complete statement, choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter or of alphabet. Okay. So these all are MCQ questions. Each question carry 1 mark, right? So first question, that is HCF of 5 square into 2 and 2 raised to 5 into 5, right? So HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So this is so HCF of 5 square into 2 and 2 raised to 5 into 5. Yes, how you are going to find out HCF? That is the common number between these two. Yes, 5 is there, but here 5 raised to 2 is there and here 5 raised to 1 is there. Therefore, common is 5 raised to 1 into. Here 2 is there and here 2 raised to 5 is there. Therefore, common is 2 raised to 1. So, 2 into 5 or you can say 5 into 2. So, which option is right? 2 into 5. Option A is right. Okay. Next, the sum of first n natural numbers. So, this is of the topic arithmetic progression. The sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Already I have discussed this part in the class, right? So n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the sum of first n natural numbers. So option C is right here. Next one. In a pair of, so wait for a minute. Yes, in a pair of linear equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So this is the general form of linear equations in two variables, right? So pair of linear equations. Here we are considering pair of linear equations with two variables. So what they have asked here, in a pair of linear equations, which of the following situations cannot arise? Okay. So A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. Yes, it arises when the lines are in the ratio A1 divided by A2 is not equal to B1 divided by B2. That means the lines are intersecting each other. It has a unique solution, right? Already we studied. A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2, but it is not equal to C1 divided by C2. Yes, in this condition, lines are parallel. This condition also arises in case of pair of linear equations. Right. Next, A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 divided by B2 is equal to C1 divided by C2. That means all the ratios are equal. When all the ratios are equal, two lines are overlapping on each other or coincident on each other, right? So this condition will also arise in the pair of linear equations. But A1 is equal to A2, B1 is equal to B2 and C1 is equal to C2 will not arise in case of pair of linear equations. So option D is right. Okay. Next one. The number of zeros of the polynomial y is equal to p of x in the given graph. Okay. So we need to find out the number of zeros. Here by graphical method, we are going to find out the number of zeros. So here one graph they have given and we need to find out the number of zeros. How can we find out number of zeros? Yes, how many times this graph is intersecting or it touches x-axis, that number of zeros it has, right? So 1, 2, and 3. So number of zeros are 3 here. So which option is right? Option B is right. X into x plus 2 is equal to 6 is a which type of equation it is? X into x plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. So if I multiply x into x, that is x square plus 2x is equal to 6. So transfer this 6 to this side, then x square plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. Now this equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, right? So this is a standard form of quadratic equation. So this equation is a quadratic equation. So option A is a linear equation, option B is quadratic equation, option C is a cubic polynomial, and option D is a quadratic polynomial. Yes, my dear students, don't get confused with equation and polynomial, right? So in polynomial, we are not going to get equal sign. But in case of equations, we are going to consider equal to sign. That means there three parts we are going to observe. That is LHS part, equal to sign, and RHS part. Here, equal to sign is there. Okay. So x into x plus 2 is equal to 6. That means this is a quadratic equation. It is not a polynomial. It is a quadratic equation. Therefore, option B is right. Next one. In the figure, triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. The pair of corresponding sides in the following is. Yes, observe carefully. Here, two triangles they have given. One is PQR and another one is AB and C. Angle P is corresponding with angle A here. Okay, because here we are going to observe one mark, right? So angle P is corresponding with angle A. Next, Q, Q is corresponding with B and R is corresponding with C because here two marks are there. Therefore, R is corresponding with C. Now, what they have asked, which the pair of corresponding sides in the following is, that means which sides are corresponding here, that we need to find out. So first one is PQ and AB. Where is PQ? PQ is here. PQ and AB, right? So here one mark is there, here no mark. So A to B. Yes, PQ and AB. Next option, PR and AB. Where is PR? P means 1 to 2. AB is 1 to nothing. That means this option is wrong. QR and AC. Q to R and AC. A to C means it is 1 to 2. That means this option is also wrong. And PR and BC. So which option is right? Option A is right. That is PQ and AB. Okay. Next one. Sine square A is minus cos square A is equal to. Okay. Sine square A minus cos square A is equal to. Yes, we know the trigonometric identities. That is sine square A minus cos square A. So what is sine square A? 1 plus sine square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the main trigonometric identity, right? So what is cos theta or what is sine theta? Sine theta means sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, right? Sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. I will substitute sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta minus cos square theta, right? Cos square A. Theta means A is here A is there. So 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A. That means 2 cos square A, right? So minus 2 cos square A. So 1 minus 2 cos square A. So which option is right here? Option B is right. So sine square A minus cos square A. Sine square theta minus cos square theta minus A is plus cos square theta is 1, right? Okay, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If you transfer cos square theta to this side, then it is 1 minus cos square theta. So substitute sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Then you will have 1 minus 2 cos square A, right? Next, the sum of probability of all elementary events of a random experiment is whether it is 0, 1 by 2, 1, minus 1. So negative cannot happen in the probability. So only 0 and 1. If events happen, then this is 1. If event cannot happen, then the probability of that event is 0. So here elementary sum of probability of all elementary, that is 1. Option C is right. Next. Find the value of b if the pair of linear equations 2x plus by is equal to 8 and 2 into 2x plus 3y is equal to 16 has infinite solutions. So when the lines have, when pair of equations have infinite solutions, when that two lines are coincident or overlapping on each other, that time it has infinite number of solutions. That means a1 divided by a2 is equal to b1 divided by b2 is equal to c1 divided by c2. That means in this condition, it has infinitely number of solutions, right? So in this case, two lines are overlapping on each other or coincident. Okay. So equation is 2x plus by is equal to 8 and 2 into 2x, that is 4x plus 2 into 3, that is 6y is equal to 16, right? So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now this is in the form of a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a1x, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Now we'll compare the ratios. a1 divided by a2 is equal to, what is the value of a1? a1 is 2, a2 value is 4 here. So 2 ones, 2 twos are, that means 1 divided by 2. So b1 divided by b2. What is the value of b1? b1 value is b here and b2 value is 6, right? Next, c1 divided by c2. c1 value is 8, c2 value is 16. So 8 ones are, 8 twos are. That means c1 divided by c2 value is also 1 divided by 2 and a1 divided by a2 is also 1 divided by 2. But here b1 divided by b2 value is b divided by 6, right? We need to find out the value of b. So put such value that you should get the value b1 divided by b2 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Which value I have to put here? That is, if b is equal to, if I substitute b is equal to 2, then b divided by 6 is 2 divided by 6. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, right? Then I will have 1 divided by 3. When I substitute b is equal to 3, then what you will get? 3 divided by 6, that is 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So when you substitute the value of b as 3, then you will have the value b1 divided by b2 is equal to 1 divided by 2. That means value of b is 3 here. 3. 3 divided by 6. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. That means 1 divided by 2. So b is equal to 3. Next. Write the degree of the polynomial p of x is equal to 5x cube minus 3x square plus 12x minus 8. Degree means highest power of the polynomial. P of x means it is a polynomial. Highest power of the polynomial, highest power of the variable, we call it as a degree. So degree here, 2, 3, 2, 1, 0. That means highest power is 3 here. Therefore, degree is 3. Degree of this polynomial is 3. Next, if sin a is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos a is equal to 1 by 2, then find the value of tan a. So what is tan a? Tan a means sin a divided by cos a. Yes or no? Tan a is sin a divided by cos a. So sin a value is root 3 divided by 2 and cos a value is 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. This is root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 means it is root 3. So in which value of the theta? Tan theta is root 3, that is 60 degree, right? So tan 60 degree is root 3. Tan A is equal to root 3. So A is equal to 60 degree. A means theta here, right? So A is 60 degree. Next one. Write the empirical relationship between the three measures of central tendency, mean, mode, median, right? So mean, mode, median are called as central tendency. We need to write the relationship between, empirical relationship between three measures of central tendency. That is 3 median is equal to 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Mode plus 2 mean, right? So this is the empirical relationship of central tendency, that is mean, mode and median. 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean, right? Next, express the quadratic equation. Express the quadratic equation x plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3 divided by x in the standard form. So standard form of quadratic equation, we need to express this equation in the form of quadratic equation. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right? Now what is our equation? That is x plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 3 divided by 2. Now, do cross multiplication. That is 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 3 2s are 6. Right? 2 into x plus 1, 3 into 2, that is 6. So 2 into x is 2x plus 1. Here it is 3 by 6, not 2, right? 3 by 6, 3 by x. Wait for a minute. Yes. So what is our equation? X plus 1 divided by 2 and 3 divided by x. Now do cross multiplication. That is x into x plus 1 is equal to 3 into 2. That is 6. Now x into x is x square plus x is equal to 6. Now transfer this 6 to this side. Then x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Okay, remember. Find the distance of the point 6, 8 from the origin. So from the origin, it is from the origin, we know the formula, that is square root of x square plus y square. Yes or no? So from the origin to the point on x-axis and y-axis, that is we know the formula, root of x square plus y square. So distance of the point from the origin. So xy is, this is x, this is y. So substitute the value of x and y into the formula, that is 6 square plus 8 square. So 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. So 36 plus 64 is 100. So square root of 100 is plus or minus 100. So square root of 100 is 10 plus or minus 10. So 10 is the distance of the point from the origin. Okay, 10. In the given figure, triangle POQ Triangle POQ, this triangle is similar to triangle ORS. So this triangle is similar to this triangle, and PQ is parallel to SR. If PQ is to SR is 1:2, then find OS is to OQ. OS is to OQ. That means when two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are equal. So OS is to OR is 2:1. 2:1. Okay. OS is to OQ, right? This is OS is to OQ. The circumference of the circular base of a cylinder is 44 centimeter and its height is 10 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of the cylinder. So this is the cylinder, right? So curved surface area, curved surface. So what they have given, circumference of the circular base of a cylinder is 44 centimeter. Curved surface, circular base. So this is a circular base, right? So circular base circumference they have given, that is 44. 44 centimeter means it is circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r value they have given, that is 44 centimeter, and its height they have given, that is 10 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of the cylinder. So curved surface area of the cylinder, circumference of, first write what they have given in the question, that is circumference of the circular space, circumference of the circular base is 44 centimeter, right? So base is circular, that means we need to take circumference of the circle. So this is 2 pi r equal to 44 they have given. 2 pi r is equal to 44. Now 2 pi, is equal to 44 they have given. Now what they have asked, curved surface area of the cylinder. So curved surface area, that is CSA, curved surface area of the cylinder, we know the formula, that is the cylinder, that is 2 pi RH, right? So 2 pi r value we know, that is 44, into h value is 10 here. So 44 into 10 is 440 centimeters square. This is curved surface area, therefore this is centimeter square. Okay, understood? Next. So these all are multiple choice questions and 1 mark questions. Now we'll solve some 2 marks questions. Okay, so some 2 marks questions. So prove that 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. So irrational number, definitely they will ask in 2 marks questions, definitely they will ask one irrational number question, that is prove that given number is a irrational number. Here they may ask any number. So prove that 3 plus 5. First what we need to do here, assume is first assume its contrary. Assume its contrary, that we know root 5 is an irrational number, but we assume that it is a rational number. 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. Is a rational number. So what is the condition for rational number? When number is if the number is said to be rational number, then it is in the form of P by Q, right? So now we are assuming that this is a rational number. That means this number is equal to P by Q. So when the number is rational number, P and Q belongs to Z, that is integers, and Q where Q is not equal to 0. This condition is very, very important. And P and Q are having co-prime 1, that is other than, means it does not have any factors other than 1, right? Now transfer this 3 to this side. So root 5 is equal to P by Q minus 3. So root 5 is equal to Now take LCM. LCM is Q here. P minus 3Q. So root 5 is equal to P minus 3Q divided by Q. Now this is in the form of P by Q. Yes or no? Now P minus 3Q divided by Q is in the form of P by Q. That means this is a rational number. So why? Because it is in the form of P by Q. But we know that this P by Q number is equal to root 5. That means root 5 is not a rational number. Root 5 is an irrational number. Therefore, P minus 3Q divided by Q is a rational number. Right? Is a rational number. But we know that root 5 is a irrational number. We know that root 5 is an irrational number. Root 5 is an irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Is an irrational number. Irrational number. So this is for 2 marks. Okay. Next. What is a composite number? Which is the composite number among 23 and 24? So what is composite number? There are two types of numbers. Already I have discussed, that is, one is a prime number and another one is a composite number, right? So here they have asked about the composite number. What is composite number? A number which is having more than 2 factors. A number which is having more than 2 factors, that number we call it as more than 2 factors. That number is called as composite number. Is called composite numbers. Composite number. So here they have given two numbers, that is 23 and 24. Among 23 and 24, which one is a composite number? Yes, 23. 23 is a prime number because 23 has 2 factors, that is 23 is divisible by itself or 1. Therefore, it has 2 factors. Therefore, 23 is a prime number and 24 is a composite number. Is a composite number. Why? Because it has more than 2 factors. Composite numbers. See, if you want, I will show you 24. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 2 six are. 2 threes are. 3 ones are. That means how many factors it has? 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That means 4 factors are there. So more than 2 factors are there. Therefore, 24 is a composite number. But in case of 23, it has only 2 factors. Therefore, 23 is a prime number. Next, state the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Write the composite number which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factor. Write a composite number which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factor. Yes. So state fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic means every composite can be expressed as a product of its prime or factorization of product of its prime. Okay. And this factorization is unique. That is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Next, write the composite number which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factors. So if I take 21, right? So if I take 21, 3 sevens are 21, then 7 ones are 7, right? Or else, so here 7 and 3 are the factors. So if 21 has 3 and 7, only two factors it has, that are 3 and 7 or 7 and 3. Therefore, 21 is the only composite number which has 7 and 3 as its only prime factors. Okay. Next question. Find the 21st term of the arithmetic progression 5, 9, 13 using formula. Okay. So here 21st term they have asked. 21st term is A21 they have asked. So arithmetic AP is arithmetic progression 5, 9, 13 is the AP. So 21st term we want, right? 21st term, that means A 21st we want. So n value is 21 here. So A is first term is 5, D is A2 minus A1, that is 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4 and n value is 21 here. So write the formula. Formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? An value means a 21st. A value is 5. N value is 21 minus 1 into d value is 4. 5 plus 21 minus 1 is 20. 20 into 4. That is 5 plus 20 into 4 is 80. So 5 plus 80 is 85. That means 21st value is A21st is 85. A21st is equal to 85. Right? Next one. Solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. Okay, we need to use elimination method here. So here two equations they have given. So this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2 and this question is for 2 marks. Here they may ask substitution method also. Any method. So elimination method or substitution method. Here they have asked elimination method. So write down the equations. X plus y is equal to 4 and 2x plus y is equal to 6. Right? Now, in elimination method, what we are going to do? We will eliminate the variable. So here y and y is there. We'll change the signs. Then plus y and minus y will get cancelled. X minus 2x plus x, that is minus x, is equal to minus 6 plus 4, that is minus 2. So minus and minus will get cancelled. X is equal to 2, you will get. Now, in order to get the value of y, what you will do? Substitute the value of x. Substitute the value of x. Value of x in equation number 1. In equation number 1. So equation 1 means x plus y is equal to 4. So x value is 2 here. 2 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4 minus 2. Transfer this 2 to this side. So y value is 2 here. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. So this is about elimination method. Next one. If the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus 9 equal to 0 has two equal roots, then find the equation, right? So two equal roots are there. So quadratic equation they have given x square plus bx plus 9 is equal to 0. Has two equal real roots. Okay, then find the equation. That means we need to find out the value of p here. Now, so discriminant delta is equal to, we know the formula, that is b square minus 4ac. Here, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. the value of A is 1 and B is B and C value is 9 here, right? Now substitute the value of A, B, C into the formula. B square. B square means B square minus 4 into A is 1 and C is 9, right? So B square minus 4 into 4, that is 4. 4 ones are 4 into 9. 4 nines are 36. So transfer this minus 36 to this side. That is B square is equal to 36 you will get. So B square is equal to 36. Then what is the value of B? B value is square root of plus or minus square root of 36. The square root of 36, 36 is a perfect square number. Therefore, square root of 36 is plus or minus 6. That means B value is plus 6 and minus 6. Okay. Now, then find the equation. So, if I substitute the value of B into the equation, then x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. Right? Next one. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points A 1 minus 3, B 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. Okay. So internally, the ratio they have given and this ratio, it divides the line internally. Okay. So coordinates of A are 1 and minus 3 and 8 and 5. So in the ratio 3:1 internally. Here we need to use the formula. Here we need to use section formula. Why? Because here M1 is to M2 they have given. Right? In the ratio they have given M1 is to M2 and also we know the value of A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Yes. So what is section formula? Solution. Section formula. P of xy is equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 divided by M1 plus M2. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 divided by M1 plus M2, right? So this is the formula. Now substitute the value of M1, M2 and X1, Y1. So this is X1, Y1 and this is X2, Y2, right? And this is M1 is to M2. So M1 value is 3. 3 into X2, that is 8, plus M2 value is 1, right? M2 value is 1 into X1, X2 value is 8, X1 value is 1 divided by M1 value is 3, 3 plus 1. M1 value is 3, Y2 value is 5 plus M1 value is 1 into Y1 value is minus 3, right? Divided by 3 plus 1. So now 3 into 8, that is 24. 24 plus 1, 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 4. Here 3 5s are 15 minus 3 divided by 4. So 24 plus 1. 24 plus 1 is 25 divided by 4. Right? Fifteen minus 3, that is 12 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So 25 divided by 4. Coordinates are 25 divided by 4 and 3. Okay. This is x, this is y. We solved by using section formula here. That is important. Okay. Section formula. Yes, my dear students, today we solved model question paper of 24-25 and I hope this video will be helpful for your preparation for the final board exam. Okay. So prepare all the formulas, prepare all the theorems. Okay. And next, prepare all the trigonometric ratios, trigonometric identities, and standard values for trigonometric angles. That is 60 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and 90 degree, 0 degree, right? So these all are very, very important. Okay. Now, I will stop here only. We'll continue next questions in the next class. Okay. So all the very best. Prepare well. All the very best. Thank you. Thank you so much.